Let's talk about something that might ruffle some feathers: evolution and the evidence behind it. You know, it's fascinating how we're often told to accept evolution as undisputed fact. But when we dig deeper, some interesting questions emerge. Take carbon dating, for example. While it's often presented as this foolproof method of determining age, the reality is far more complex. In 1996, at Mount St. Helens, scientists tested newly formed rocks from the 1980 eruption using radiometric dating. The results? These rocks, which they knew were just 10 years old at the time, were dated to be hundreds of thousands of years old. This isn't just a one-off error. It's a significant demonstration of the method's limitations. The fundamental challenge with evolutionary theory is that it requires us to make numerous assumptions about conditions that existed millions of years ago. How can we be absolutely certain about what happened when none of us were there to witness it? It's like trying to solve a mystery with most of the evidence missing. Consider the fossil record. While we're often shown neat, clean progressions in textbooks, the actual fossil record is full of gaps and sudden appearances of fully formed species. These missing links have been a persistent challenge to evolutionary theory since Darwin's time. You know what's interesting? Both evolution and creation theories ultimately require a degree of faith. Whether you're believing in a series of unobserved natural processes over millions of years, or accepting divine creation, you're taking some things on faith. The difference is that one is openly acknowledged as faith-based, while the other often claims absolute scientific certainty despite its own uncertainties. This isn't about dismissing scientific inquiry. It's about maintaining intellectual honesty. When we look at the limitations of our dating methods, the gaps in our fossil record, and the assumptions we make about the past, it's important to acknowledge that our understanding is far from complete. Perhaps instead of treating evolution as an unquestionable fact, we should approach it with the same critical thinking we apply to other scientific theories. After all, true science thrives on questioning, testing, and being open to new interpretations of evidence.